Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our first episode of Life and Career. In this new series, we're gonna invite um, people from Andersen UAE to know more about. Well, it sounds kind of repetitive, but about their lives and their career. We want to put this or share this human touch in order to understand who they are and what are those skills that organizations on finance and accountants, but also in the business world, well, they are looking for. So today, I'm very happy. I'm very happy because I have Shilpa Sawal. She was born and raised in India, and well, for many years ago, she has been also working here in Dubai. She started as a tax intern, and now she's tax associate here at Andersen. Thank you very much for being here.
Thank you for inviting me and thank you for the introduction, Eduardo.
No, you're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you for waking up so early. Shilpa, well, the first question, let's go to a little bit to your background now, so people they can know about you. What inspired you to pursue a career in accounting and commerce?
Firstly, my family inspired me as everyone in my family either works has a family business or works as a chartered accountant. So, firstly, these guys and early since high school, I have had a keen interest in accounting. So this early interest sparked a curiosity that I have carried forward into my academic and professional journey.
Yeah. I mean, families they are like a very big influence. No,
Yeah.
for example, in my case, my parents they are into communications. I know a lot of people that they are like into medicine, and basically that kind of like influence, no, or shapes also the personality of the daughters and sons. And well, how's been your experience working here at Andersen so far?
The firm offers various opportunities for professional growth, such as training and international assignments. I have had the opportunity to work with diverse range of clients, such as real estate, logistics, restaurant businesses. So overall, my experience was wonderful here.
That's great. No, I think that the fact that you can here at Andersen you can work with so many industries, give you like basically. I mean, even though it's tax, no, it doesn't move like a lot from the application of the regulations. But what really matters is that there are the industries they have different needs, no, and also basically negotiating and coping and talking with clients, no. Well, what let's talk about, like, for example, university, your workplace transition. What were some of the biggest challenges, for example, that you faced that when in transitioning from university to the professional world here in Dubai?
The market here is very competitive as Dubai attracts talent from around the world. So that was one challenge. And also to choose on the career path uh, and finding opportunity that aligns to my qualification was a challenge. So I faced these two challenges.
Okay. And how do you feel that the university education prepare for your role for the real world?
I was doing chartered accountancy and company secretary certification course. So in that, we have subject like taxation, cost accounting, accountancy, law. So I had strong theoretical knowledge, and in those courses, we need to do trainings, internships under some professionals. So I gained practical knowledge as well. So it helped a lot.
And in the end, universities actually they are a trigger, no? They can give you like the theoretical knowledge, but in the end, you have to connect it, no,
Yeah.
with the cases at a work. And for example, can you share, to the people that they are watching us, for example, youngsters or people that want to jump into the world of work, for example, in Dubai, what are like the skills that are essential for your role here as a tax associate?
You must have technical knowledge about the tax regulations. I'm into taxation field, so I need to be updated about what are the various tax laws. Be confident. You must have communication skills because you need to deal with clients, and you must know how to manage time because we have deadlines. So you must know how to manage the time.
Yeah, and these two paths, no, hard skills and soft skills, they are always like they're basically something you have to all our lives we have to develop,
Yeah.
no. And now you touched or you talk about the regulations. This is very important because the tax landscape here in Dubai, basically, it has been changing a lot. It's pretty new. I mean, compared with other countries, no. So, well, two questions. The first one is, what is like the most interesting regulation or law related that you have been working here? And the second question is, how do you stay updated?
Recently, a client had a query regarding the visa facilitation and manpower service. So I was researching about that. So I need to advise clients. So I need to discuss with my seniors, like this is the case and what are my conclusions. Then we give advice to clients. So I was researching about this topic, and what was the second question?
And the second question is like, how do you stay updated? You know, with these constantly changing tax regulations here in the UAE.
Regularly, we need to be updated, constant reading, and there are many public clarification which is updated on the portal. So we need to be updated and seek advices from seniors about any query.
Yeah, of course,
So,
no, but because they have more experience
Experience,
on
right.
different cases, different industries, so they know how does it work, no, basically. And I think this is a also very important question. What advice would you give, you know, to other young professionals, you know, and students who are considering to move to a new country or even here to the UAE?
Embrace the opportunities fully, network actively, and above all, remain curious and proactive while pursuing your career goals in the new country.
Okay. And for example, the people that they are still in university, I remember back in Mexico, I had like so many doubts of like what's going on next. No, basically it was like a door of uncertainty, like what is going to happen in the future. No, so for example, what would you tell them, the people there in university and they are looking to go into the tax field or accountancy or business and commerce? What recommendation would you give to them?
Pursue an internship in firm like Andersen to gain practical knowledge and exposure to the real world tax.
Cool. And this is the final question. Imagine that we have a time machine and then you can travel to the past, but you cannot change anything. The only thing that you can do is you can give a recommendation to yourself, basically from who you were 1 year ago. So you travel into this time machine and you're sharing one recommendation to you, something that nobody told you, something that only you know. Tell me, what would you share to you?
Be confident. I'm into taxation field, so I would recommend myself to be updated about the tax regulations, and that's it.
Okay, that's very beautiful. Thank you very much, Shilpa Sawal, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. You are our first guest. You have inaugurated this new series, Life and Career. And well, to everyone that is still watching us, remember to subscribe. Remember to follow all our social media, and also we are in Spotify. So thank you very much for being here, Shilpa.
Thank you so much.
See
Thank
you.
you for having me.
Ciao.
Bye bye.